bag, get a drip like this. Gotta have cash, get a get like this.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Jazzy B. Thank you for joining me, and I would like to show you how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Let's get started. I'm about to prep my 5x5 closure with the infallible powder foundation using a powder brush, and I'm going to gently and evenly apply it over the closure so that it can matches my skin tone. Once that's completed, I'm going to apply the Moroccan weave wonder cap onto my stocking cap, and I'm going to gently and evenly place it all around my head, leaving the top crown area open. Now I'm going to place the ghost bun on the crown of my forehead, and I'm going to evenly spread it out so that I can apply my closure. I'm going to apply at least 2 to 3 layers. So now, with that being done, I'm going to use some bonding glue, and I'm going to put it on the perimeter of the closure before I apply it to my head. Once I have applied the glue on the perimeter of the closure, I'm going to gently place it onto my head by pressing down on the front so that it can secure evenly on the ghost bun glue. And then I'm going to work the remainder of the glue in. And I'm going to use my comb to make sure that, the adhesive glue is securing to the lace. And I'm going to do the same as all around the perimeters as well. Make sure that it's sticking to the stocking. So once I have completed that part, I'm going to get all the hair up out the way. And then I'm going to get me an elastic band, and I'm going to secure it around the front of the lace, so to make sure that it's secured to my head. And I'm going to allow that to sit on my head. I'm going to allow that for about 15-20 minutes, time enough for it to dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to start applying my tracks. Starting from the from the nape of my neck, and work my way up towards the closure. And some of the footage got cut off because my camera wasn't recording. So that's why it seems like I started halfway. I'm gonna pump it up to make sure that the tracks are securely hold. and use the blow dryer as well. For some reason, that part just didn't want to stick. You know, it didn't want to work with me. I had to just keep applying glue and heat on it to make it stick. But I got it. I am now finished applying the tracks in my head according to the closure. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to just put a little heat because I want to part down the center, as you can see. And I already have did my baby hairs off camera. So basically I'm just prepping my hair, you know, how I want it prior to me getting ready to cut it. I'm just running a little heat on it to get everything nice and straight before I cut. And I'm using my Cara Care wax grip, you know, to maintain my part and flyaways so that I can see what I'm doing and what I'm working with. So now what I'm about to do, since I don't have anyone here to cut my hair for me, I'm going to have to use the rubber band method to cut my hair. So basically I'm just going to comb all the hair to the back, make sure that it's nice and even on both sides, and I'm going to apply a rubber band around the hair as such. And I'm going to cut under the rubber band, and then I will clean up the cut as needed. So as you can see, I'm cutting under the rubber band. Just so uncomfortable trying to cut your hair yourself. But it works. My scissors are so dull. Yes, look at that, baby. Yes, girl. Yes, that is it, honey. Just clean it up a little. Put a little heat on it, flat on it. Girl, you are ready, honey. Looking good, girl. That's nice for the first cut. But of course, I'm gonna have to clean it up. So I'm gonna use some Lottie Body to, you know, attempt to do these baby hairs, but unfortunately they did not come out right, and I did not like that big swoop in the front of my forehead. So what I end up doing, I did my baby hairs off camera because baby, that was not gonna get it. So I end up doing it off camera. And as you can see, you see the Wonder weave cap. I did get some alcohol and I did clean that up as well. So that's no longer there either. Which I did it off camera. So basically now I'm just gonna flat down the hair, you know, to see what I'm working with. And then I'm just pretty much gonna go from there. That big squirrel in the front, that big swoop squirrel baby hair is not gonna get it, honey. Sis, they gotta go. just trust the process. It's getting there. Okay, now there she goes. She slays, honey. As you can see, I did redo my baby hairs in the front, which look a lot better. And I did clean up the cuts, which I did off camera. This hair has so much body. Thank you for watching. Let's stay connected through social media as listed above. Thank you.